Welcome to David Susilo Unscripted. Let's start the video. Today I received my order of Superbox S7 Pro. This is an IPTV box, but better quality than most boxes I see out there. This box is very useful to me because I buy a lot of movies, so using this box I can peruse what movie I want to buy next. The legality is questionable depending on where you live, but I don't condone piracy. At the same time, I'm unwilling to spend $50 to $60 for a movie that I will hate. After all, I already have 6,000 movies on DVD, Blu-ray, and 4K disc. It's hard to justify another $50 to $60 to buy any movie sight unseen. So by having this box, I can try before I buy, so to speak. Jeez, I just realized I spent at least $180,000 for my movies. That's ridiculous. And that's not even including the 3,000 CDs I have and LPs too. I really have to stop buying movies. It's ridiculous. But hey, thanks to Superbox, I don't need to waste my money on movies I don't like. Yes, the Superbox can do other things as well, including watching cable TV, TV series, and sports too, which I don't use because I still have my cable TV. So let's go back to the box. There's a USB-C input for power, infrared input, HDMI output, Ethernet input jack, and also Toslink optical output. And within the retail box, you get the unit itself, obviously, remote, USB-C power adapter, and HDMI cable. This way you have everything in a box, except for batteries. Batteries not included. I know it's overkill, but for myself, I use Pixelgen Design THX cable. Turning on the Superbox S7 Pro unit, I was greeted with Superbox logo. Unlike the bright menu from Superbox S6 Pro of last year, this year Superbox opt to have dark background. I prefer the dark or the black background, especially because I'm using mini LED TV, OLED TV, and JVC projector. Getting into the app, the unit is a lot more responsive compared to the S6 Pro of last year, and the search functionality is smoother as well. As you can see in the video demonstration on how smooth, how fast the response times are. And quite honestly, I'm impressed. Just look at this. I click The Strangers Chapter 2. Boom, there. Most importantly for me is that I can get Australian news channels and also UK news channels. Why is it important? Well, I was raised in Australia, and as far as I know, I can't find any single way to subscribe to these channels from Canada. And also, again, if I'm not mistaken, I cannot get Animaniacs anywhere else, or Masters of the Universe, the original Are You Afraid of the Dark series, or even Sanrio's Hello Kitty and Kuromi TV series in Canada. So to me, this unit comes very highly recommended. So if you're interested in this unit, I put a link and a discount code in the description down below. This way you get $50 off from the purchase price. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. I almost forgot. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.